Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session.
Comes in today's session of English. See children, in our last session we have learnt about Priya's village. Priya, a small girl who stays in a small village, and there are many houses in her village. There are small lanes. There are many plants and trees around her houses. And one more thing she told us, that Daji Kaka is their neighbor and he has cows and buffaloes. He milks them every day and Priya's family buy milk from him. And as it is fresh milk, it is warm. So till yet we have learned about Priya's village home. In today's session we are going to learn about a girl. Her name is Riya. So let's see what Riya tells us in this session. Our today's topic is Riya in the city. Now you all have got your books, so open it and come on page number 9. Riya in the city part 1. As you know, before learning the activity, first we read it. So let's read the activity. Listen carefully, look into your book and say with me. Always I tell you before starting the lesson what we do. Listen carefully. First of all, you have to listen it carefully. Then you will look into your book. Okay, and then you will say with me. So 3 things we will do together. She is Riya and she is saying hi to you. Hi, I am Riya. I live in a big city. Look at the sentence, listen carefully and say with me, I live in a big city. See dear children, if you remember that Priya told us that she stays in a small village and here Riya lives in a big city. The city of Riya, like us, we stay in Mumbai. Our Mumbai is also a big city. So what is there in her city? There are big buildings. You can see here, so tall and big buildings are there. So many buildings are there. Say with me, there are big buildings. And wide roads in our city. What are they? Wide roads. There are wide roads. You can see wide. In Priya's village, there were small lanes. But here in city, there are wide roads. In Riyadh city, wide, very big. See the roads. They are wide. Say with me. And wide roads in our city. Buses, cars, bikes. You know, in city there are so many vehicles on the road. Buses, cars, bikes. You can see here there are buses, cars and bikes. So many vehicles are there. Say with me. Buses, cars, bikes. You can see here there is a lot of traffic in the city. You can see so many vehicles are there on the road. So there is always a traffic jam on the city road. Look the picture and listen carefully what I say and repeat it with me, or you can say it with me. There is a lot of traffic in the city. Next, you can see what is there in the picture and what Riya tells about it. There is a dairy near my house. See, in Priya's lesson we have seen that Daji Kaka is Priya's neighbor and he has cows and buffaloes, and then Priya's family get milk from him. But in city, at Riya's city, there is a dairy near her house. So look at the sentence, listen carefully what I say and say with me. There is a dairy near my house. See dairy? What is dairy? From where we get milk and milk product. Isn't it? We get so many milk products at dairy. We get butter, then curd, buttermilk, cheese, so many things. So again look at that sentence and say with me, there is a dairy near my house. Next. We buy milk from the dairy. Riya's family members go to buy milk to the dairy. You can see here. We buy milk from the dairy. They get milk from the dairy. Buy means to give money and to get something, to buy something. We buy milk from the dairy. Next sentence. We get the milk in pouch. We get the milk in a pouch. You can see here, Priya is taking milk pouch from that woman who is selling the milk. She is a vendor there. We get the milk in a pouch. In Priya's lesson, we have seen that Priya used to go to Daji Kaka with a pot from her home. But here in Riya's city, they do not take pot with them, but they get milk in a pouch, in a milk bag. Even in Mumbai or in our city, we get milk bags at our home. Or we go to the dairy and we buy milk in a milk pouch. We get the milk in a pouch. Shall we say the next sentence? So the next sentence, it's nice and as cold as ice. How's the milk? It's nice, but it is cold. In Priya's lesson, we have learned that Priya's home or Priya's family get milk from Daji Kaka's cows and buffaloes. And it is fresh, that's why that milk is warm. But here, the milk is kept in the refrigerator. You can see there are big refrigerators in the dairy, and the milk bags or the milk pouches are kept in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. So when Riya's family buy it from there, it's nice and as cold as ice because it has kept in the refrigerator. Okay, so let's look at the sentence and say with me. It's nice and as cold as ice. So that's what Riya has told about her city, that she stays in a big city. There are big buildings and wide roads in her city. There are buses, cars and bikes on the road, and there is a lot of traffic in the city. Then she told about the milk, from where they get the milk. So they go to the dairy near her house and from there they buy the milk. And they get the milk in a pouch and it is nice and as cold as ice. So that's what Riya has told about her city home in this session, in this lesson. So let's do one more activity as we did in Priya's lesson. So you know the activity, what we have done in Priya's lesson. Let's read once again. Name the things you see in the picture. So you know there is a picture in your book on page number 9. So look at that picture and name the things you see in the picture. For example, see, I have done it for you. I have not named all the picture but some of them. See, there is a big yellow bus, Sagar Dairy from where Riya's family buy the milk, big buildings, a bicycle rider, and so on. See children, there are many things yet to be named. So you circle them and name them and do this activity and enjoy this activity. Okay? See, I have done it for you. I have not named all the picture but some of them. See, there is a big yellow bus, Sagar Dairy from where Riya's family buy the milk, big buildings, a bicycle rider, and so on. See children, there are many things yet to be named. So you circle them and name them and do this activity and enjoy this activity. Okay? So my dear children, that's all for today. In next session, we will see some more things about Priya and Riyadh city and villages. Okay? So by the time, take care and see you. Thank you.
That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.